Well, Jackson, I heard someone said a client give you a $20,000 US dollar connector order and want to deliver in 30 days. Are you taking it?
Of course, I'm taking it. We've got a monthly capacity of over 60 million sets, 3 production bases with safety stocks. Data is guaranteed.
Okay. But what if the client has super high quality standards?
No problems. Our products are UL and ISO 35, 100 inspected, built tough, stable connectors all the way.
What if they don't want standard connector but a custom prototype?
That's a bit hard because our samples need about 7 days. So that will be a little bit tight. Well, we've got over 100 made machines here. We can do everything. So let's go and check out.
Oh, no. I was just asking.